friends. Today we are going to see how internet search works. Yeah, it's a very exciting question that everybody has. Every day we use Google or Bing or Yahoo to search anything that we want, and we really don't know how exactly that we are getting those search results. So today we'll see how exactly this internet search works. Let's begin. Today, Google has become a part of our family. Anything that we need, we just go to Google, we just type in and it gives the result. We want a popcorn, yes, you just type it in. How to drive a car, again you get results. How to go to moon, yes of course. And how to handle your angry wife, I think even Google might not have. Just kidding. So Google gives answers for all these, and it also gives how much seconds that it took to give those search results. So today we will see how Google is finding these answers and giving it to us. There are 3-step process that's been followed by any search engines, irrespective of whatever it is. It may be Google, it may be Bing, it may be Yahoo, AOL. All the search engines use 3-step process as a basic. One is crawling, the other is indexing, the other is search ranking. So what exactly all these 3 steps? Today hundreds and thousands of web pages are created in an hour. Billions of contents and information are loaded in those websites in the form of pictures, graphics, animation videos, and etc. These 3 important things are primarily make all these videos, graphics, it research into it, and it is actually storing it in a database and it gives it. So what exactly all these 3's? First, crawling. Crawling is nothing but some kind of an algorithm where it uses crawlers or spiders, and these spiders scan each and every website, goes to the very internal hyperlink to the last page, and then keeps a record of all those. These spiders are also called bots, does this scanning every day, every hour, every minute. So when you search, it gives actual search results within seconds, and you can get the search results based on your locations as well. It scans and keeps the record in the form of indexes. That's where we call indexing. It's a large database of these search results. These results are given to you in fraction of seconds, and actually when you try to search something, it actually not goes into the page and search it. It actually goes to these indexes and give the answers from there. These indexes keep track of keywords, content, title of the web page, freshness of the content, pictures, hyperlinks, location, even language, and how users are engaging into these websites. So when you search for some keywords, it will be verified against these indexes, and based on the search algorithms and the page rank, you will be listed with the number of results. For example, when you search for where is a hospital nearby, it also gives the location and address of the hospital where you actually search for. So that much advanced search results are being. Many search engines are even using machine learning technologies to give more accurate and reliable results. Now, wait a minute. I was telling something about a page rank. What is this rank? Let's see. PageRank is nothing but an algorithm which is primarily to rank the websites. PageRank is usually used by these search engines to rank the web pages, the content. It actually helps to show how important your website is. Interesting fact is, search engine like Google doesn't pay anything to get pages to the higher count or any other things. Now, how to increase the rank for those websites? It's always preferable to use meaningful and useful content for the viewers, because if you want to cover your video or your web page or your content to the wider audiences, you have to make the content simple but informative. So always try to keep the title content very much appropriate and accurate. The content has to be up to date. That's most important, because everyone wants to see the recent updated news or blogs or anything. So please keep the content up to date. Always use references, credits for the videos, the pictures, the content that you're adding. That also gives more important marks. Attractive images and videos are the most important thing which will catch the attention of the viewers. So always try to use images, videos, graphics, GIFs to get attraction. So it's basically like all these are the one which are mainly useful to rank the website. With this, you can make your website on top. Right. I think we are clear about all these three mechanisms that are used for ranking our page, giving the search results, giving the appropriate, accurate search results, crawling, indexing, and search ranking. I hope this video helps a bit to understand how the search engine works. So, once again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please click on like and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and click on notifications so that all our efforts will reach you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you in my another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.